Okay, so good morning all the students. This is part 3, class 7, computer subject, class 7, that is part 3. Part 2, already we explained how to convert the number, okay, decimal to binary. But in this video, we'll discuss that is binary to decimal, okay, binary to decimal. Binary to decimal, okay. So we'll discuss that is binary to decimal, how to convert, okay. So basically that method it is there, start with the least significant bit, okay, LSB, okay. This method will apply, okay. So each digit of the numbers by the respectively weight and in according with the binary number system, okay. Then the add all the product to get the decimal equivalent. Clear? So example, you see just example number 1, okay. We'll take that is 1 0 1 1 1, okay. So 1 0 1 1 1 binary to decimal, will convert binary to decimal, okay. And binary to decimal, you see that is 2 means base, binary base 2, and that decimal base 10, okay, decimal base 10. So let me see the process how to convert. First step, we'll take that is the least significant bit, okay. Least significant means this way, last digit will come to the first position, okay, least significant bit, okay. So see that is, and you see 0, this power value, it will be count like that only, okay. So 1 power it is 0, first digit power 0, okay, second digit 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, okay, it will be count like that only. Clear? So first we'll take that is 0 1 to 1 into 2 to the power or 2 power 0. Why 0? Because of we are taking LSB, okay, LSB method we are applying, okay. And one thing you see, that is 2 to the power 0 equal to 1, we know this is, okay. 2 to the power 0 equal to 1, we will take, okay. So basically 2 power 0 plus next 1 into 2 power 1 plus again 1 into 2 power 2. Here, so first one 1 2 1, sorry, 1 1 1, 3 ones plus 0 0 into 2 power 3 plus 1 into 2 power 4. Here, so this is the first line. Again I am explaining 1 into 2 power 0 plus 1 into 2 power 1 plus 1 into 2 power 2 plus 0 into 2 power 3 plus 1 into 2 power 4. You see that power it is counting LSB mode. Clear? So next line 0 means 1, we are getting 1, okay. Next 2 into 2 power 1 means, that is 2 power 1 means 2, okay. So we are getting 2. Here we are getting 2. So first 1, then 2, then 2 into 2, 2 power 2 means 4, okay. So 4 ones are 4 plus 0 means what, 2 into 2 into 2, okay. 2 power 3 means that whatever that result will come, multiply by 0 means we will get the answer 0 plus, okay. So 2 power 1 into 2 power 4, 1 into 2 power 4 means 2 into 2 into 2, okay. 4 times 2, okay. 4 times 2 means that will get the result 16, okay, 16, okay. So next line see all the digit, okay, all the number will add, then result will come, that is 23, that is decimal. This is the answer. Clear? So I hope in this problem you understand, okay. So next problem I want to explain you. Next one, another example I will explain you. Just you see very carefully and step by step you learn, okay. Then only you can understand, otherwise it is very difficult, okay. So suppose you 0 0 1 1, okay. Suppose you see that is 0 0 1 1, okay. So 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0, that is binary to decimal. binary to decimal. We'll convert, that is this number, in this number binary to decimal. Okay, 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0. Clear? Same method we'll apply LSB mode. Okay, LSB mode. Okay, see that first number will come, that is 0 into 2 to the power. 2 to the power means starting 0, power it will come 0, plus again 0 into 2 to the power 1, 0 into 2 to the power 1. Clear? Plus again 1, again 1 means what? That is, you see, first 2 digit 0. Okay, first 2 digit 0, then again it is coming 1, again it is coming 1. Okay, so 1 into 2 to the power 2. Clear? Again plus 0 into 2 to the power 3. Okay, 0 into 2 to the power 3. Okay, plus again it is 0, again it is 1, again it is 1, you see, that is 1 into 2 to the power 4 plus 1 into 2 to the power 5. Okay, plus 0 into 2 to the power 6 plus 0 into 2 to the power 7. Clear? So basically we got this in this line, you see, that is 0 into 2 to the power 0, 2 power 0. Okay, plus 0 into 2 power 1 plus 1 into 2 power 2 plus 0 into 2 power 3 plus 1 into 2 power 4 plus 1 into 2 power 5 plus 0 into 2 power 6 plus 0 into 2 power 7. Clear? Next line, similarly. Okay, next line you see, that is 0. 0 means we will get the answer 0 only. Okay, next 0 means this one also will get the answer 0. Clear? Next this one. Okay, 2 power 2, 2 power 2 means that is 4, 2 power 2 means that is 4. This is, okay, this part. Okay, next, that is this one, 0. 0 means 2 power 3, whatever that result will come, multiply by 0 means we will get the answer 0 only. Clear? So next part, that is, what is that? Plus 1 into 2 power 4, 1 into 2 power 4 means we will get the answer 16. Clear? 16. Again plus 1 into 2 power 5, 1 into 2 power 5 means 32. 1 into 2 power 5 means 32. Clear? So then next we'll get, that is 0 into 2 power 6 means 0 plus 0 into 2 power 7 means 0, because of, you see, that is 7 times 2, but it will be multiplied by 0, so that's why we are getting the result 0. We know this is, okay. So next basically answer will come total, so 4 plus 16 plus 32 equal to come 52. 52. This is the result. This is the result. Answer. Okay. So I hope all the students you understand in this problem. So next we will discuss, that is a mixed, okay, float number or mixed number. How to solve if it is mixed number, point number, float problem. How to convert, okay? How to convert, that is float problem. Okay, suppose I am taking 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 0. Clear? 1 1 0 0 point 101 point 101. Okay, 101 means binary to decimal. We'll convert binary to decimal. Okay, binary to decimal. Clear? So this number, this is float number. Okay, fraction. How to solve this type of problem? Fraction number. So fraction number, it will, when it is there fraction number, see this problem we know. Okay, this problem we know already. I explained, that's 2 example. But if it is there fraction number, this fraction number, how to solve in this fraction number? Okay, let me see. solving this problem, fraction numbers. This is same way we can solve. Okay, same way means how many digits? This is 0, 0 power 0, next value 0 power 1, next value 0 power 2, and 1 power 3. So basically we are getting 3. Okay, up to 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so first 1 into 2 to the power 3. Why we are adding on 2 to the power 3, 2 power 3? Because of that value. Okay, power value we are getting, that is 3. Okay, counting from the left. Okay, see, next plus, next 1 into 2 power 2, clear, plus 0 into 2 power 1 plus 0 into 2 power 0, clear. Then point is there, point value. So this value basically will count left to right. Okay, see, that is left to right directions. We will follow the left to for all the digits after decimal. Okay, all the digits after decimal will follow left to right direction. Left to right direction means this way. Okay, this way. So this way means what? That is minus. Every time it will be minus. So first number, what is that? 1. It is there. So 1 into 2 to the power minus 1. That's that power minus 1. Clear? Plus 0 into 2 to the power minus 2. Clear? Again plus 1 into 2 to the power minus 3. Clear? Minus 3. So next line, see, next line, see, that is 1 means that is 2 power 3 means that is 8. So 8 answer 8. Clear? 8 answer 8. Next 2 power 2 means that is 2 power 2 means 4. 4 into 4 answer 4 plus 0. 0 powers we will get every time answer 0. Write it 0 plus again 0. Okay, plus, okay, you see plus means this is minus. Okay, 1 into 2 power minus 1. 1 into 2 power minus 1 means that is 1 by 2. 1 into 2 power minus 1 means that is 1 by 2. Next value we will get, that is 0. Plus, okay, so 1 into 2 power minus 3 means 1 by 8. 1 by 8. Clear? Next line. See, so that is total. This is total it. So 8 plus 4, 12. Okay, 8 plus 4, 12. And next you see that is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means that is 0.5. 0.5. Clear? 0.5. And 1 by 8. 1 by 8 means 0.125. We'll get the answer. Okay. Then you total it. Total means 12. 12 plus 12. 12 point. Then you total it 0.5. Okay. 0.5 plus 0.125. 125 means 625. Result will come. Okay. So 12.625. This is the answer. This is the answer. So we got 12.625. This is the answer. Okay. So class 7, all of you write down that five question. Write the 5 question. Okay. Question number 1. Question number 1. Okay, so this is the, you will convert. Okay, 1010 1010. Okay, 1010 1100 110. Okay, this is binary to decimal. You will convert binary to decimal. Clear? Question number 2. Question number 2, 101101. Okay, decimal. Okay. Question number 3, on 0 0 on 0 0 on 0 decimal. Okay, question number 4. Question number 4, that is on 0 on 0 on 0.011 to decimal. Okay, and question number 5, on 1.110 to decimal. Okay, so I hope you will understand properly. Okay, and you will complete all the questions. Okay, so this is the binary to decimal okay methods. So thank you all. Thank you.